Hey everyone, it's Karen. So you want to make money on YouTube, but you want it to be worth your time and make the most amount of money, right? Then you're in the right place. In this video, you'll get 5 of the highest CPM niches on YouTube where you get paid the most amount of money per 1,000 views. We'll go over some example channels, how much approximately they get paid per 1,000 views, and how much they make per month approximately with just ad revenue alone, which is a lot of money. Going into these niches can give you a great side income, and as you can see, a great full-time income, and be able to work from home. These are evergreen niches that will pay you for years to come. So let's go ahead and get started right now. The first high CPM niche is make money online, and with the pandemic, there's more people than ever searching for ways to make money online and from home. My channel average this year so far is $62 per 1,000 views, and the highest CPM that I have on any video is $242. And you can see that review videos can make a lot of money. Now on this particular video, I have around 2,900 views. So if we take 2,900 and we divide it by 1,000, we get 2.9, and then we multiply that times $153, which is how much I get paid. We get actually paid half of what Google gets paid. Then you'll see that that is around the amount of money that I got paid on that one video. So you can imagine if I had 100,000 views on that video, how much I would get paid. Let me share with you another great example of why this is a high paying CPM niche. My friend here has a channel also in the make money online niche, specifically YouTube and how to grow your brand on your channel. But look at her CPM for this video alone and the amount of revenue. So she had $67 CPM, and because of the number of views she's gotten, has over $11,000 on just this one video. Here's an example channel in the make money online niche called Finance Girl, and they never show their face on this channel. And you can see they only started in February of this year. And you can see their most popular videos have gotten hundreds of thousands of views. And these top videos do have keywords that they're using that have low competition and good search volume, like this one here, earn money typing names, which is their top video right here. And you can see by their Social Blade stats, their estimated earnings every month are anywhere from $359 to $5,700. But this is based on a CPM of 25 cents to $4. So with their CPM being anywhere from $30 to $60, we can consider that we can multiply this by at least 4 times this amount. So they can be making as much as $20,000 a month. Oh, and by the way, if you're really serious about crushing it with a Faceless YouTube channel or with an existing channel, I do have a free masterclass. That'll be the first link in the description below the video. Definitely check that out. Second high CPM niche is cryptocurrency. And the CPM for this niche is around $30 per 1,000 views. You can see the topics of their videos are around trending topics on cryptocurrency, and they don't show their face either. And you can see their most popular videos that have gotten a lot of views use keywords that have low competition, like this one right here, and this one right here with over 18,000 searches and low competition. Their Social Blade stats show they make anywhere from $1,400 to $23,000 a month. But again, we can multiply that by about 4 since their CPM is around 30. So they could potentially be making around $80,000 a month. The third high CPM niche is investing. And here's an example of a channel where they talk about different aspects of investing. And you can see their most popular video has gotten over 1.3 million views just 7 months ago. So the CPM for the investing niche is around $25 to $30 per 1,000 views. So if we take the low side of that and divide 1.3 million by 1,000 views and multiply it by $25, you can assume this video has made them around $32,000. And if we take a look at their Social Blade stats, it shows they make around $3,000 a month. But again, since the CPM for this niche is $25 to $30, we can multiply that times 4. And so we can assume they're making around $12,000 a month. So you can see why investing is a great niche to get into. The fourth high CPM niche is personal finance. And here's an example of a channel. And we can see they talk about all aspects of managing your personal finances. And this niche pays anywhere from $35 to $45 per 1,000 views. Like you can imagine, the topic of their most recent video, how to pay off debt, would be a highly searched topic. And if we look at vidIQ, we can see that keyword gets searched over 2,900 times a month and has low competition and a great overall score of 53. Their most popular video has 9.8 million views. And if we take a CPM of $35, we can imagine that video alone has earned them $343,000. And if we take a look at their Social Blade stats, we can see it is estimated that they make anywhere from $631 to $10,000 a month based on 50 cents to $4 per 1,000 views. If you look at this little question mark right here, that's what it says. But since this CPM makes $35 to $45 per 1,000 views, you can multiply that times 4. So they could be making anywhere from $35,000 to $40,000 a month. The fifth high CPM niche is technology. And here is an example of a channel. And you can see they review technology, which would be something you could easily outsource by having someone write the script, someone do the voiceover, and then have a video editor put it all together, which it looks like they do on this channel. And then again, they never do show their face. And you can see for their most popular videos, they have used keywords that have good search volume and low competition. Like best Bluetooth speaker 2021 gets over 94,000 searches and has low competition. And considering these videos have millions of views and the CPM for this niche is around $16 to $20, we can assume these top videos have made them $25,000 to $30,000. And if we look at their Social Blade stats, we can see the estimated monthly earnings based on their views on the channel is anywhere from $269 to $4,300, which is pretty accurate, but I would multiply that at least by 2. So I would say they would make around $8,000 a month. What you need to understand too is that YouTube pays you half of what they get paid by advertisers. So if advertisers pay a CPM of $16 for 1,000 views, the YouTube owner will get paid $8 per 1,000 views. So that's why I say multiply this estimated earnings by 2. And that would be what I would consider this channel would make every month. And just to give you some inspiration for a faceless YouTube channel, like we're talking about here, this is someone in our Facebook group, and they just hit over $10,000 in a month with Google AdSense ad revenue. So it is absolutely possible. You just have to stick with it, and over time, you definitely can achieve a goal like this. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this video, guys. I hope you go out there and really crush it on YouTube and make a lot of money. Let's continue the learning with this next video. You're really gonna wanna see this 10 more high CPM niches on YouTube. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.